Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making strawberry syrup. I'm using strawberries, white sugar, xanthan gum and lemon juice. First, remove the leaves from the strawberries, then cut them into small pieces and place them in a saucepan. Then add 1.5 cups of water to 1 pound of the strawberries. Then place it on the stove, turn on the flame, bring it to a boil on high heat, and then lower the heat and cook for 15 minutes. Then turn off the stove and then strain through a sieve and then through cheesecloth. Then pour that back into the saucepan and then add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 cup white sugar. Stir that and then turn on the flame and bring to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes. Turn off the flame and then the syrup is ready, and you can pour that into any jar of your choice. You can also add xanthan gum. Here I'm preparing the xanthan gum. I have added 1 teaspoon of icing sugar to the xanthan gum and I'm stirring that thoroughly. Then pour that into 1/2 cup of the syrup and then whisk thoroughly until it thickens. Then pour that 1/2 cup back into a container that has the rest of the syrup and use an electric mixer to combine the two. Do that for 30 seconds, then skim the foam from off the top and then pour that into any jar of your choice. You can now make your favorite beverages using the syrup. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.